What's up everyone? Welcome to the latest devlog for Sentient. So next week we plan to release version 1.3 of the app, which is going to introduce agentic behavior for even more G Suite tools. We've already added Gmail in the last release, and in the next release you're going to see Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Docs, Google Drive, and even Google Calendar. These tools work pretty well standalone for now, but they will soon start to work hand in hand. So you'll be able to say something like check my calendar and then send an email, or search through my inbox and summarize all the emails into a single Google Sheet.
AI agents are not the only thing that's getting an upgrade in the next release. We have also removed Rama Index and built our own custom memory pipeline better suited for our use case. This will definitely mean that there will be bugs, but we believe that this is best for the future of Sentient.
We've also started taking outreach and content more seriously now. So we had an early adopters group that was just being used by us to send random updates every now and then about what we were doing for Sentient and the different things we are building, or like a small sneak peek every now and then. But now we want to really tap into the group of more than 100 people that we've gathered over there. So for this we've onboarded Shubham onto our team, and so he's going to handle outreach by posting regular updates to the group and reaching out to group members one-on-one, asking them for like feedback on what we're doing, or asking them to fill out certain survey forms and so on. When it comes to content creation, it is my New Year's resolution this year to post videos more consistently. And so we're going to basically push out content every single day for our Instagram and YouTube channels for Codestreak. So Codestreak is Existence's content outlet. You might have already seen a couple of videos of Codestreak on my LinkedIn profile. So just follow Codestreak on Instagram, subscribe to us on YouTube, and you're going to see a lot more content coming there every single day. As of now, it's just short form content, but in the future we have plans for long form as well. And when we launched Existence, we had launched the Existence community, but we have since rebranded that to become the Codestreak community, and that's doing great as well. People keep sharing hackathons and other resources and stuff, so you can join that WhatsApp community from the link below as well. In other news, I also attended a talk at Bhau. So Bhau is a local startup accelerator in Pune, and they do a great job dispersing knowledge and funding to entrepreneurs that need it. And I've been associated with them since the first year, and I've learned a lot about funding, pitching, networking, and a lot of other things from them. So when I was sitting in this panel discussion yesterday, which was about funding, I was thinking about a new tagline for Sentient, and I landed on something like personal and private AI agents with memory. So this is slightly different from what we've been calling Sentient so far, but I think it's more aligned with what we're currently developing and our vision for the future of the product as well. So, just let me know what you guys think about this, and that's pretty much it for today's devlog. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.